What's going on out there, good people? It is your boy LMD with LMD Trading, and we are back. We are back to close out the year 2023 on a no trade day. That was a green day. It was a no trade day because I took no trades today. I actually was in a trade from yesterday. Purchased a put on the SPY yesterday, and I just managed that out this morning when it went green. So yesterday it closed. I was down about $50 when it closed yesterday. This morning pre-market, the market was moving down. So I kind of knew that it was going to open green. And it opened green, got a nice move, maybe 15, 20 minutes into the market. And I just managed that thing out. It stopped out. Nice, solid green trade. And I did not want to give back any of those profits. Didn't want to give back any of those profits. So didn't take any trades. You're probably going to see this recap before the previous day's recap. I did that one yesterday at work out at the airport on my laptop, and I just haven't had time to get it processed and uploaded. As you can see, I'm here, Trade Central, getting this recap done. So this one will post straight to YouTube. I'll try to sit down this evening and get the one for the previous day done. Yesterday was a red day recap. Trading the SPY primarily. Went into the market yesterday with a short bias, and that is bad. Can't go into the market with a bias, with a preconceived bias, and then the market shows its hand and what it's really doing, and still want to have that short bias. Ended up buying a put with a longer time frame out, with the understanding, okay, I took the L yesterday. Let's let this put work for us, and we'll make that money back a couple of days down the line. Just so happened to be the next day down the line. So we were good with that. But let's go ahead. Let's jump on into ThinkorSwim, and we're going to get this recap done and close the year out green. Looking at the SPY, this is the 2-minute chart of the SPY. We see that the SPY opened down. Nice move down. I'm going to bring this up. That white line right there was where it closed at the previous day. So we see that it had gapped down like $3. So coming into the market, I knew that that put was going to be paying. I knew it was going to be paying. The question was, how much is it going to pay? And what did we make? Actually, hold on. Let me go ahead and bring up the contract, and we will see. This is the daily. Right now, SPY is just kind of consolidating, sideways trading. If we look at today's candle, it was an inside day. It tried to go lower, didn't do it, caught a bid, as they say, and it pushed up. Finished with a nice hammer candle. Nice hammer candle. So this is a good sign going into the new year. This may try to make a little move like that. Maybe catch a little resistance right up around there. So let's see. But I'm going to go ahead, load up the contract. Up. What do I need to do? Oh, no, that's right. Or is it? Why is it not loading? There we go. Didn't have these two set to the same link. But okay, that's right. So we only seeing where I got out of it at. So I sold it for $2.66. Basically $266. Let me change this from today to 1 day. And there, now we can see the big picture. Again, this was a put. When you look at the chart on the option chart, you're seeing it going in the money. But we know on the actual SPY chart, it was going to be going down. I'm going to turn off highlighted for now. And I'm going to switch this over to, we'll go, I don't see a 2 minute, so we're going to go 1 day, 1 minute. I'm going to try to find that area on the chart. It's 10:30. I guess I probably could have did all of this. Let's see, where was that at? Okay, so that's gonna be way over here. Yep. So blow this up real quick, just so you can see why I was getting into it where I was. So as you can see, I was buying that contract right here on the SPY, thinking that we had topped out right here. You see I had these two broken lines on the chart. I was thinking that we had topped out right there, that this was going to push back down. Again, my mindset was the market is going to go lower. It was not. That wasn't the case yesterday. So we see that it just kind of chopped around. And like I said, I was down 50 bucks coming through here. We set a high right there. I was down a little bit more than 50 at that time. And then the market closed right here. Market closed right there yesterday. And of course, I've turned off extended hours. So I'm going to bring this over. And then you're going to see where the market opened. Let's keep going. Because this does have, hold on. There we go. What I did was I turned off the highlight part of it, but I left it on. So now you see that big gap down. That's what you see when you don't have extended hours turned on. You can see the actual gap down. So market opens, it gaps down. We're going to keep on running it, running it, running it. It comes down to here. And this is where I get out of it at. Good exit. Let me come over here to the option chart real quick, just so I could put where I actually got out of this candle at $2.66. Right there. That is a pretty doggone good exit. As it was pulling back down, we see it never did bounce back up that way. If we come over here to the, actually we are way over here with it. Yeah, if we come back over here with it, we see we bottom ticked that thing pretty doggone good down at the bottom. So good exit. And if we come over to the option chart upper right, you will see that end of the day, this thing did curl back up. And I would not have rode through this thing that long, because before we go any further, let's look and see what we made off of it. So paid $1.54, paid $154, sold it for $266. So we made $112 on that contract. Made $112. Why would I want to ride that thing out, taking a chance that it would not come back? Look at what it did. It did go up a little higher. Look at where it is right now. 89 cents, 87 cents. No. Take that profit. That was excellent profit. Basically 2 to 1 on what we were down. Like I said, at max, we were down about 56 bucks. we pretty much made exactly 2-to-1 on that contract, just holding it overnight. So good, solid trade. Nice way to end out the year. And we're going to be ready to take on this thing again next year. Funny thing, and I mentioned this in the Discord today, I'm back where I started at. When I started this channel, I was trading cash account, basically like a small account challenge. At that time, I was only risking 10 per trade, staying pretty solid. It actually may have been 25 per trade. But going into the new year, the plan is continue trading out of the cash account. I will take one stock trade. So I'll be looking for one solid stock trade. If I don't find that stock trade, I won't take a trade because that money has to settle for 2 days. And then I'll take possibly 2 option trades depending on what's left in the account, because that money will recycle and be available the next day. So that's going to be the plan. We're going to try to grow this account. I don't want to grow it extremely fast, but I don't want to be scared about it either. By not taking any trades today, I just watched charts. I watched the level 2, and I do have a question. I have a question for y'all out there in YouTube, because I know y'all are smart. On the level 2 for ThinkorSwim, you have the bid side and you have the ask side. On either side, those numbers could be red or green. What is the difference between the numbers being red or green? Can anybody answer that? We kind of went around and round in the Discord today trying to figure out, if it's on the bid side, those should all be buy orders. And if it's on the ask side, those should all be sell orders. So why should it make a difference in the color of that particular order? I have my thoughts on it. Some other people had their thoughts on it. Let me know what y'all thoughts on it. So thank you for checking me out during the year 2022. Hope to still have y'all over here checking me out in 2023 as we continue to grow the channel as well as grow our accounts. If you have not already, please like the video. That helps me out. Please subscribe if you're so inclined. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. I've already wished y'all a Merry Christmas. Now I'm going to wish y'all a safe and happy New Year and a very prosperous New Year. On that note, your boy Look Around is out of here. Peace.